Page 76. If. Listen to the model.
What are they going to name their new baby?
If they have a boy, they'll name him John. If they have a girl, they'll name her Jane.
Do exercises 1 through 4. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
How are you going to get to school tomorrow?
If it rains, I'll take the bus. If it's sunny, I'll walk.
2.
What's Roger going to do this Saturday afternoon?
If the weather is good, he'll go to the beach. If the weather is bad, he'll go to the movies.
3.
What's Rosa going to have for dinner tonight?
If she's very hungry, she'll have a big dinner. If she isn't very hungry, she'll have a sandwich.
4.
What's Ken going to do tomorrow?
If he feels better, he'll go to work. If he doesn't feel better, he'll go to the doctor.
Page 77. If you drive too fast, you might have an accident. Listen to the model.
You know, you shouldn't drive so fast.
Oh?
Yes, if you drive too fast, you might have an accident.
You're probably right.
Do exercises 1 through 8. You will hear the correct line after you speak. You begin. 1.
You know, you shouldn't eat so quickly.
Oh?
Yes, if you eat too quickly, you might get a stomach ache.
You're probably right.
2.
You know, you shouldn't sing so loudly.
Oh?
Yes, if you sing too loudly, you might get a sore throat.
You're probably right.
3.
You know, you shouldn't work so slowly.
Oh?
Yes, if you work too slowly, you might lose your job.
You're probably right.
4.
You know, you shouldn't go to bed so late.
Oh?
Yes, if you go to bed too late, you might be tired in the morning.
You're probably right.
5.
You know, you shouldn't listen to loud music.
Oh?
Yes, if you listen to loud music, you might hurt your ears.
You're probably right.
6.
You know, you shouldn't watch scary movies.
Oh?
Yes, if you watch scary movies, you might have nightmares.
You're probably right.
7.
You know, you shouldn't do your homework so carelessly.
Oh?
Yes, if you do your homework too carelessly, you might make mistakes.
You're probably right.
8.
You know, you shouldn't sit at your computer so long.
Oh?
Yes, if you sit at your computer too long.
And choose the best answer. Page 79. Listening. Listen and choose the best answer to complete the sentence. 1.
If I do my homework carelessly,
2.
If Sally doesn't feel better soon,
3.
if you sit at your computer for a long time,
4.
if I stay up late tonight,
5.
If you don't speak loudly.
6.
If you don't work hard,